Now, viewers, let's shift our focus to the state of Karnataka, where now BJP has slammed the Karnataka government over Hampi gang rape incident. Now, two women, including a 27-year-old Israeli tourist, were allegedly gang raped and assaulted, while this entire incident has enthralled massive wrath from all across political quarters. BJP has taken upon them to slam the Karnataka government over the law and order situation, because they have highlighted that Hampi is a UNESCO heritage site, and because of that it puts Hampi on the world map, and hence such incident puts the entire country and the name of the entire country to shame. Joining me live on this broadcast is my colleague Abhishek, live from the spot. Abhishek, the BJP is slamming the Siddaramaiah government for the brutal law and order situation in the state. They are saying that it's a UNESCO heritage site where this shocking incident took place. You're at the site. What more details do you have?
Madhurima, on the Thursday's late evening, say at around 11:30, three miscreants attacked a group of people, among which two were women. One who headed the homestay, and another one was a visitor from Israel who's 27. Two of these women and three of men were probably stargazing at around 11:30 in the night amidst the forest area. And these three miscreants from the town of Gangavati started a fight with them, and they made sure one of the three men were pushed into the canal, and then they have gang raped these two women, is what the police sources as of now confirm. And two of these miscreants have been secured by the police, and one of them is missing, and these two have been taken to the spot to do the spot mahajar as of now. And we are waiting to see what the government will have to speak about this. Siddaramaiah and Home Minister Parmeshwara will very much have to condemn this incident, and we are 100% sure that the law and order in the state is not as fine as Dr. G. Parmeshwara has spoken about. He is not yet sure of how many people are arrested in this case. He openly says around 4 to 5 people have been arrested, is what he says to the media. So law and order with respect to the state, with respect to the place where I am in, is at nil and is at zero. And yet there have been so many miscreants still walking around, roaming around in the site. As of now, the latest update is these two miscreants who have been secured are doing the spot mahajar with the police at this hour. Madhurima.
Well, thank you, Abhishek, for those details. We'll have to wait and watch as to how BJP pushes this entire controversy more to slam the Siddaramaiah government. Thank you for those details.